Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 Suzuki DRZ400S. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2018 Suzuki DRZ400S with 8,750 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an Adventure Men Cave, headlight and windscreen, a USB port, Pro Grip grips, aftermarket mirrors, a TrailTech vapor odometer, a seat concept seat, an FMF exhaust, a Safari fuel tank, aftermarket plastics, a Zeta kickstand foot, a trigger brake lever, a luggage plate, ODI handlebars, engine cases, a Electron carburetor, Devol radiator covers, a helmet hanger, and a temperature sensing sticker. Powered by a 398cc single-cylinder engine, the DRZ400S puts 36 horsepower and 30 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, the DRZ has a 2.6-gallon fuel capacity with a 75 to 100-mile range. It has a 36.8-inch seat height and a 317-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 12.30 seconds, and the rear at 11.30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the brake lever, scrapes on the front fender, and scratches and scrapes on the side cover. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.